So I always been an engineer at heart. Ever since I was little, I always liked to take things apart and try to put it together, and it never worked. It triggered my mind to find out how things work and why it is not working the way I wanted to. So that triggered me to get into engineering, and I learned more about engineering, and that's how I wanted to study engineering, and now here I am.
My father is the one who inspired me to go for engineering. Growing up, he always was very good at solving problems, so that inspired me to take up engineering, and he always helped me in everything I needed as far as education, so that really encouraged me to take up engineering.
My interest of being creative and innovative finally led me to become an engineer.
I was probably first inspired to be an engineer by my dad. He works in the same field as well, and I think every science fair project I did as a kid probably had something to do with circuits.
I think what inspired me at first was my dad. He's a structural engineer, and at the time I didn't really know what that meant, but he would tell me about some of the details of it, and it just became very interesting once I saw how complicated it could be. And at first I think, okay, you're just putting steel down, but once he talked about the details of what it takes to actually make that happen, I was like, oh, this is more interesting than I thought. So